Hello, this video right here is just to explain the different things on the computer here. We got this program right here, the VCM scanner. This is all done through, probably can't see that at all, but it's all done through an HP Tuners program. It's all set up, so different shift points, basically anything you can think of is all done through the program. You can run without having the computer in the vehicle. It'll run perfectly fine. It won't read any codes or anything like that. You won't have any difficulties with that. But if you click on VCM scanner, you'll get this configuration that pulls through here, and you just hit scan, start scanning, and there it goes. It starts reading all the gauges we got here. VCM scanner. It's basically just something to look at here. Nothing to do with the Nitrous setup. You can close that out though. But probably can't really see too well with this camera. But you got one right here. That's Nitrous, and then this one's your street tune. For the street tune, again, if you don't have this computer running, anything set up through the computer, the car will run fine. Basically what will happen is the car will just run off of the regular stock computer instead of going off of different settings that this is all set up for. But for this to run, you open up the VCM editor, street, you click flash over here up on the top and write collaboration. Then from here has the vehicle's VIN number. It says type GM Firebird Camaro V8, and then all you do is you click begin. And you'll do the same thing when you're setting up for the Nitrous setup or for the street. But actually, before I do this, you actually have to have the vehicle off. So you have the vehicle off and you just have the keys into the on position. If you have the vehicle running, it'll still do the scan. It just won't actually go through with the scan. So again, up on the top here, you got your file, editor, favorites, compare, tools, flash. So flash, write collaboration only, and then begin. And this is just setting up your street setup. Again, if you're going to do the Nitrous setup, all you do is you click on the Nitrous one and you do the exact same thing. Go to flash, write collaboration, and then you begin that. I'll explain the Nitrous setup, how that all works after this right here though. But it usually only takes like a minute to do this. Again, your vehicle has to be off but in the on position. Right now it's validating the VCM. And it says the VCM write completed in 31 seconds. So it's all done, it's all set up. You just hit close, it's all done. And then you can just turn the vehicle back on. But that's that. And then your Nitrous setup, you got right down here. This right here is basically just your engage. This right here is your automatic bottle opener. You hit down where the white button is to open it, and this to close it, the top. That right there will set up with your purge. Or actually, I'm sorry. Your purge button is actually going to be this red button right here. This toggle switch right here is actually your bottle heater. So same as opening up your bottle here with the bottom button. If you turn this down, that turns on the heater. So right now the bottle heater is on. And then right here, that's your purge button. So anytime before you use the Nitrous, if you're going to use it in like a race or just purging it like I usually do. I usually purge it when I go to car shows, just to show off when you get to the show. Just hit this button right here, and I'll purge up in the front. And that's the setup through the VCM HP Tuners program.